Here goes some classic cars. What's going on here? We got a classic car show here. Oh, look at that. Was I lucky to grab this camera and take a nice shot at some classic cars coming down here in Colorado. We're in a Lima here. There goes my favorite one. That's a Bronco right there. Bronco, that's my favorite. Oh, there's another one, Mustang. Where are you guys going? I'm jealous. All right, coming back. Let's take a look, see if we can grab that beautiful mountain. Sun is shining right above these mountains and it's got snow on it. See if I get, how close can I get? Oh, there we go. You guys see it? Look at that. I love this camera. Do you see now? I'm not making up. See that? I speak the truth. There's the mountains right there. And I'm not even Denver, Colorado. I just left the place. And those are the trucks. That's the closest I can get. Whoa, there goes more. There goes some more classic cars. The American Chevy. Woo! Oh, there goes my Ford pickup truck. Give it to me. There's some more coming up. Ford pickup trucks. Hey, say hello to Buck. Hey. Anyway, I gotta get rolling, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm not gonna record. Ah, okay, this guy is a food vendor. I guess they're gonna be riding up and doing some food videoing. I mean, food for the old timers. They got some kind of classic car show going around. There they go. Thank you for watching. Charka Buck, coming from the west of Colorado, Leon, Colorado.